Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be giving you a preview of or review of the stock BMW 3 series, 4 series, 1 series, whatever it is. This is a 3 series, but they use the same speakers. This is the stock one, not the Harman Kardon. This is what it sounds like, so I'm going to give you a preview of all that. Let me put some music on for you guys. So have a listen, guys. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted.
Too much stress for the man, them heute sind Blätter die Days. Platin, Gold in der Wand, hängt doch bei der Shade-Abdrück. Too much stress for the man, them heute sind Blätter die Days.
Okay, so one thing I can say about the speakers is, what do you call it? One thing I can say about these speakers is it has the best bass I've ever heard on a car yet. But what it lacks is the mid tones and the high tones. So it's lacking clarity basically. So the Golf, I used to have the Golf. The speakers were all around amazing. You had good bass, good mid tones, good treble. Everything was good on it. This one's lacking clarity, so you get a bit of a flat sound, if you know what I mean. So I'll give you another. I'll let you listen to some more songs. You hear more of the bass than anything because these are good bassy speakers. So that's the only positive about these stock speakers. The Harman Kardon, they're still not as good as my stock Golf ones, which is crazy. So yeah, I'll show you them. If you're not checked out that video, go check it out. Actually, you might hear the difference there. See it.
It's for me boys locked up, man, feed the lifers. Fuck the rats, L20.
So you can hear it in his voice. It's very flat.
Rattlers all cappers, backstabbers, bro, remember it. The first to do a lot of shit, I just didn't mention it. The first to get a 6-figure deal, but it was treacherous. The first to hit the charts from...
See what I mean? Right, let's have another listen of a song. Can you hear the bass? The bass is good. Everything else is pretty bad.
Kick it in the rollers, kick it in the legals, kick it in the stolen. 5'3", but our backs looking swollen. 24.
What do you think, guys?
Scratch mixed it.
Yo, shall I play what did you add in your stew? I need TT, grab my line, just follow the plug and he's bringing it through. What? Bruce, loose back, point shit up when he walks in the room. Clean up crew, yeah, we bringing a broom. Dinner on E, got bought in petty, all you gonna hear is vroom.
Force all this new shit, bitches be getting steady. I'm trying to see a girl, them shake it. I told bro, tell them go cover up. I don't wanna see girls in my video.
Do you see what I mean, guys? So it's very flat when they're singing. That's the only bad thing about these stock speakers. The bass on these speakers are phenomenal, like the amazing, like the best bass I've heard on a car yet. And I've heard lots of cars, different cars I've been in. So these are decent bassy speakers. For the rest of it is pretty crap. So yeah, if you have the money, don't even bother with the Harman Kardons. They're better, but they're still not as good. There's other aftermarket brands you can get them instead. BMW, I don't know what you're doing with these speakers in the whatever, all these cars. Improve them. Yeah, just improve them, guys. That's all I can say. Because if a stock Golf is beating your top end speakers of Harman Kardon, they're pretty shit, aren't they? So yeah, well, these are stock. I've heard the Harman Kardon ones. I'll make a video on that when I get the chance. You won't notice much of a difference. It's slightly better, but it's still not that good. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Hopefully this was helpful to you. And yeah, stay tuned for more car videos, whatever. tech videos, whatever I do, food videos. I do everything, guys. Whatever you need in life, I'll do a video on it. Be ready for it. Guys, thank you guys for watching. Good night.